Turkey has played a significant role in the Syrian region of Idlib, particularly in supporting the establishment of self-governance and countering the YPG People's Protection Unit, which it considers a terrorist organization due to its affiliation with the PKK Kurdistan Workers' Party. The exact number of Turkish military forces deployed in Syria has varied over time due to the dynamic nature of the conflict and is not less than 30,000 soldiers. Turkish armed forces and the Syrian National Army captured a total area of 8,835 square kilometers, including over 1,000 settlements in North Syria. On the 1st of March 2020, Turkey initiated a military operation code-named as Operation Spring Shield Turkish Bahar Kalkanharik against the Syrian regime, which aims to protect local Syrians and to install a lasting ceasefire, according to the Turkish Defense Minister Hulusi Akar. From the 27th of February to the 5th of March, Turkey claimed the Turkish military have neutralized 3,138 Syrian army soldiers and militia, and destroyed the following material: 3 fighter jets, 8 helicopters, 3 UAVs, 151 tanks, 47 howitzers, 52 launchers, 12 anti-tank weapons, for mortars, 10 arsenal depots, and 145 military, technical, and combat vehicles. Turkish armed forces have also released 12 minutes of drone footage that wrought havoc. According to the SOHR, Turkish troops killed 165 Syrian soldiers and fighters loyal to the regime. On the 5th of March 2020, Turkey, alongside Russia, announced that a ceasefire in Syria's northwest region of Idlib would come into force from the very midnight. However, Turkey informed that it still reserved the right to retaliate with all its strength against any attack carried out by the forces of Syrian government. However, as of the latest information, Turkey has a significant military presence in Syria, with 113 military sites consisting of bases and posts within 5 governorates. These include 55 sites in Aleppo, 43 in Idlib, 9 in Raqqa, 4 in Al-Hasaka, and 2 in Latakia. The strength of the Turkish military forces in these areas is part of Turkey's broader strategy to secure its borders, support allied Syrian opposition groups, and counter groups it considers terrorist organizations. These sites are part of Turkey's efforts to secure its national interests, support Syrian opposition factions, and combat groups it considers terrorist organizations, such as the PKK and its Syrian branch, the YPG. The presence of these military sites reflects Turkey's significant role and influence in the region. In terms of self-governance in Idlib, Turkey has been involved in creating administrative structures to ensure that areas bordering Syrian territory are governed by elements friendly to Turkish interests. This includes support for the Syrian opposition and the Astana process with Russia and Iran, which aim to establish de-escalation zones, including Idlib. The situation in Idlib has had a profound impact on Syrian refugees and civilians. Regarding actions against the YPG in northern Syria, Turkey has conducted several military operations to prevent the formation of what it views as a terror corridor along its border. These operations include Euphrates Shield 2016, Olive Branch 2018, and Peace Spring 2019, which targeted areas held by the YPG, SDF Syrian Democratic Forces. Turkey's efforts have focused on creating safe zones and facilitating the return of Syrian refugees from Turkey. Additionally, Turkey has expressed intentions to resume operations to establish a 30-kilometer wide safe zone along the border. It's important to note that these actions and policies are part of a broader geopolitical context involving various international actors and interests in the region. The dynamics are continually evolving, with ongoing negotiations and military engagements shaping the future of Idlib and northern Syria. The current status of Turkish military operations in Syria includes ongoing efforts to secure the border and address security concerns related to groups Turkey considers terrorist organizations. Turkey has confirmed conducting airstrikes targeting Kurdish groups in Syria and Iraq, citing self-defense under Article 51 of the UN Charter. Additionally, Turkey has been involved in ground operations against the Islamic State since 2016 and has launched attacks against armed Kurdish groups in Syria. The situation is dynamic, with military actions and diplomatic efforts continuing to evolve. Turkey's operations are part of its broader strategy to protect its national interests and establish safe zones for Syrian refugees. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.